Hello guys, how y'all doing? We ordered mystery box from Vat19. It's supposed to be a Christmas present, but it came in late. So in today's video we decided to open it up and see what's inside of it. It's actually Philip's Christmas present, so he's excited to open it up, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's open it up and see what's inside. You open it up, it's yours.
Alright, let's see.
Whoa. Well, looks like we got really hot chili lime popcorn. So we're not gonna make it now, probably tomorrow, right?
Let's see what is
This one is a Kinetic Sand look like. And this sand actually stretch. Pretty cool.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a slushy.
and a squeeze cup.
Check this out. There's a straw.
So apparently you pour in a drink of your choice, then you freeze it and squeeze it and it should become like a slushy.
Feels like there's water inside. Ooh. Oh, we have one of this already. What it is a plate that has two divisions right here, and you can apparently eat cereal. Chips and salsa, fries and ketchup, cookies and milk. So it's like multi-purpose thing. Oh, Benny, go. Check this out. Ice cream snow cone, ready to drink. Never tried it before.
Sneaky Stardust gum powder.
Sour
Yes.
blue raspberry. Check this out. I like the container. You can hold it like this. Check this out.
Yeah.
Kind of sweet and sour to me.
Looks like another box. Giant gummy bears on a stick.
Ooh, check this out.
It's like a lollipop, but it's a gummy bear.
No way.
That's awesome.
You want to try?
Sure.
It's stuck to the cover.
There
There
we go.
you go.
Alright, let's try this.
Is it good?
That's pretty good.
Not bad.
What is this?
Oh, looks like cards.
Magnet.
Look at this. Whoa, check this out.
They're like little balls connected to each other.
That's pretty cool. We have one of these, but different color and smaller.
Yeah.
And now we have a big one. Check this out. It says here it's 72 magnets used here. Good thing that they put number and I don't have to count them myself. Is it the last thing?
I think so.
Oh, they actually have prices for each thing here. We should have taken this one first and see what's
No,
inside.
I think it's more of a surprise.
Right.
Well, that's pretty cool. They're king-size
Whoa.
playing cards.
No way.
That's awesome.
I'm very interested to see if it's actually real cards.
Oh, of course they will.
Whoa, no way. Check this out. It's actually real cards. Check. That's huge. It's like A4 size, the paper size A4. I don't know how do you shuffle these big cards. Probably like this. You have to have huge hands to
Or
do
you could
that.
just throw them and then pick them up.
Look at this.
Yeah, these are huge.
King size. Ooh, look at this one. Are you happy?
Yes.
That's a cool thing. It's very unusual, let me tell you, very unusual. I've never seen cards like this. They're very, very unique. So apparently the most expensive thing here is the near-medium magnets. The most cheapest thing is this thing. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did, and I'll see you next time. So in today's video we decided... Oh, Benny, no!